Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, do you remember last time my haircut into my channel was messed up? So now this is kind of good. And today we're going to make some slime. But first we're going to do one today. And then we're going to do the other one tomorrow.
Okay.
Let's do it.
So
woo!
We have borax. We have a measuring cup.
Glue.
We have glue, a bowl, a whisk, and another little bowl.
Yeah.
And a measuring spoon. So first we need a half a teaspoon of borax.
Kids, don't say kids.
That we're gonna mix with a cup of hot water.
Kids, and make sure to subscribe to my channel. Watch the end to see what I'm so excited, guys. This is like a border thing to mix.
Okay, so we're gonna add the water to the borax.
Wow.
And Kase's gonna mix it up. Mix it up.
Wait.
Mix it up. Mix this on the borax.
Wait, with this?
Yep.
Kids, don't ever say, this is hot. Food's hot.
With hot water. Okay?
Getting warm out, kids. It's a little hot, but it's like a lot of warm.
Okay, good. Now we're gonna put that on the side.
But now it's...
Now we're gonna empty the glue. We're gonna open up the glue. And we're gonna pour it into the bowl. Here, pour it in the bowl.
Whoa! Look, kids! Oh my god.
Pour it, pour it, pour it. Squeeze it out.
Kids, make sure to ask for grown-ups to help you.
Hold on, let's add some water to make it. So we're gonna add half a cup of water because we need half a cup of water. Okay, we're gonna shake it up. See if that works. Okay, shake it up, Kasen.
Okay.
Shake it, shake it, shake it. Shake it good.
I'm getting hard.
Now
We're going to pour some in.
Yeah, we'll pour it in there.
Hold on, let's see what's
Okay, here, pour it in there. Pour it in there. Okay. Is glue gonna come out? Get the rest of it. Aww.
Kids, ask for grown-ups to help you because if you need... Oh, there it goes. When I was talking, it was calling me out, so I was like, there it goes. Shake it.
Just shake it up. I know it's kind of sticky. It's kind of gluey. Shake it. Okay, let's see. Did it work?
Oh God, it's glued. Mom, now can I mix it up, Mom?
Yeah.
Okay. Kids, watch me mix it up. Kids, don't forget to wow.
Ooh.
Kids, look at this.
Okay, mix it up.
Oh, I see how gluey.
Does it mix them good?
Yeah.
Good job.
I knew you were going to say good job, but...
You did. You did a really good job. Okay, now.
Yeah, well, I was making all good too.
Okay, mix it up some more. Okay. We're going to mix it while I pour this in there. Then we're going to pour some of the borax mixture into it. Until it gets hard. It's getting hard. Ooh, until it gets to the consistency we want. Ooh, yeah, looks like Hannah bought us.
No, it doesn't.
It
looks like lava.
Is it hard? Here.
Oh my gosh.
Mix it up. Mix it up good with your hands. Ooh, it's slimy.
It's just like soap.
You know, borax is like soap.
Whoa.
Whoa. Okay, here, you can put it on the counter and you can play with it.
Yeah,
Is that cool? Just gotta make sure to wash your hands after this, huh?
yes. Kids, the wings. Oh, look at this. Wow.
Okay. Ready to end your video?
Yeah. Thanks, guys, for watching my video. Subscribe, and thanks for watching my end. See you later, guys. Bye.
Bye.